In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Maya. We'll walk through how to send money from the Wise app directly to a Maya wallet using the exact screens you'll see so nothing feels confusing or rushed. Before we start, make sure your Wise app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and you have the recipient's details ready. You will need their email, full name, Maya wallet number, and their city. It also helps to have enough balance or a funding method set up in Wise so you can move smoothly through the process. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. You'll land on the home screen where your balances and recent activity appear. From here, tap Send to begin creating a new transfer. Next, choose Add Recipient. This tells Wise you're setting up a new destination for your money rather than sending to someone you've used before. You'll then be asked to select a currency. Pick the currency you want the recipient to receive, or the one that matches how you'd like the transfer to be processed. This choice affects the conversion rate and fees, so take a moment to confirm it's correct. When asked where to send the money, choose e-wallet. This is important because you're not sending to a bank account, you're sending to a digital wallet. Wise will ask who you're sending to. Choose myself if it's your own Maya wallet, someone else for another person, or business, or charity if the recipient is an organization. Picking the right option helps Wise format the details properly. Enter the recipient's email address. This is used for transfer notifications and to help identify the recipient, so type it carefully and avoid typos. Now enter the recipient's full name. Use the name exactly as it appears on the Maya profile to reduce any risk of delays or verification issues. For the wallet provider, select PayMaya. In Wise, the provider may appear as PayMaya, which is the same service behind Maya. Enter the recipient's e-wallet number. This is the mobile number linked to the Maya account. Double check the digits so your money lands in the correct wallet. Add the recipient's city. This information supports compliance checks and should match the recipient's location details when possible. Finally, tap Continue. Wise will prepare the transfer based on what you entered and guide you to the next screen. Review everything on the summary that follows and proceed as prompted in the app. That's all there is to setting up a Wise to Maya transfer.